Okay, right here we're gonna try. This is a spot we haven't done yet, and so I asked Winston to take me up these stairs here. Slight mistake. You can see he goes up to the second stair there. Not that big of a deal. I still use my foot to find it, but he probably should have stopped on the first one. No big deal though, not at all. And then here this is kind of cool because we got around this corner and you can see all the things Winston has to take into account there. And you can see how he swung me out wide, so I didn't clip the right hand side there. Cool beans. And then here again, he swings me out nice and wide around that railing, which is amazing. Spatial awareness, super cool thing that, you know, a guide dog can do that. I mean, damn!
Jeremy's a fart face.